So for everyone who says every time Justin Bieber blows his nose, we make a video, well, now that's literally true. Plus, there's Justin and Beyonce's rivalry for the 2016 MTV EMA nominations, and you have to say it's Allie with your Daily Bieber. And Justin Bieber's Purpose Tour has had its ups and downs. Up, he spoke French to fans in Paris. Down, he got attacked at a nightclub in Munich, Germany. Double down, possibly telling a group of fans in Norway that they suck. You can click up here for more on that story. But okay, things took another weird turn in Finland when Justin gets a little tickle in his nose and the fans get slimed. Bless you! Some fan probably got a souvenir they didn't pay for.
Batman, what happened? Are you okay?
He slimed me.
Less expensive than those hoodies, though. But alright, from bless yous to blessings, Justin has just received 5 MTV Europe Music Award nominations, tying with Queen Bey for the most noms. He's nominated for Best Song for Sorry, Best Male, OBS, Best Pop, and goes up against Beyonce for Biggest Fans. But of course the Biebs didn't stay quiet about this, retweeting an article about their nomination saying, quote, "I love Beyonce." Justin definitely studied at the Kanye West School of Award Show Politics. Alright, I'm done here. Bye, guys.
Yeah.